What if I told you you might never need a password again? Passwords have been around for decades, but today, they are one of the weakest points in online security. So what's replacing them? Passkeys. What is a passkey? A passkey is a new way to log into your accounts without using a password. Instead of typing something you remember, your device creates a secure digital key. This key is unique and almost impossible to steal. How does it work? When you create a passkey, two things happen. One key is stored on your device, the other is stored on the website. When you log in, your device proves your identity using things like fingerprint, face recognition, or device unlock. No password needed. Why is it better than passwords? Passwords have problems. People reuse them. They can be guessed, or they can be stolen. Passkeys solve these issues. They are more secure, easier to use, and resistant to phishing attacks. That's why companies like Google and Apple are pushing this technology. Passkeys could replace passwords completely. No more remembering long combinations. No more forgot password messages. Just fast, simple, and secure access. Passwords are slowly disappearing, and passkeys are taking their place. The question is not if this will happen, but when. Are you ready for a password-free future?